Some smart life advice hacks. If you suspect that a person or a group of people is backbiting you, don't confront them. Don't even show any signs that you suspected them. They'll definitely go into the defensive. Instead, greet them warmly. Give them a hug. Join the discussion as if everything is normal. You'll immediately wield power over them, because they'll remain confused about the kind of person you are. If you want to win many followers instantly, the trick is to give out something for free in exchange for friendship. Yes, even friendship and loyalty can be bought. Give them something they can't refuse, like free cookies. Next time you want something in return, it will be difficult for them to refuse. Most people can't read a book from A to Z and finish it, but there's a hack around it. At least 80% of a book is boring and junk stuff, with the exception of novels and fiction. The remaining 20% is pure meat. First, start reading the book from the back. Many authors reserve the meat until the end. Then come back and start reading the book from the front, selecting only those chapters that interest you. Devour these chapters first, as you warm up your brain to understand the hard and boring stuff. Don't aim to complete reading the book from A to Z. The junk in the book will dilute the good stuff. Most minor sicknesses, including severe headaches and common colds, can be cured by drinking lots of water and getting enough sleep. Make sure you get lots of these each day. If possible, take a day off just to drink lots of water and get enough sleep. When you start a small business, don't go for the money first. People have a knack for discovering things and will soon sense your greed and go elsewhere. Don't even seek a profit. Seek to break even and get customer loyalty first. Once customers sense that your aim is not to make a quick buck, they'll keep coming back and make you rich without even realizing that your prices are gradually increasing. If you want to thwart off thieves or shoplifters from your store, just place more of the same items the thieves or shoplifters are fond of stealing at a convenient location. Put a large polite notice above the shelves where the thieves or shoplifters frequent, saying, "Do what you did the other day." Some text goes here. The seventh hack is to remind you that every second counts, and every second is money. You will never recover a single second once it's gone. Thank you and enjoy.